Can your shake really get smoother? Most blenders fail at protein powder, but not these. Welcome to our channel, friends. Today we reveal the top 6 best blenders for protein powder that makes every workout shake silky and powerful. Stay tuned for real value and grab yours through the links in the description. On number 6 is OMMO Blender. Emotionally engaging product review in a unique, lively style, fully original, actionable, and tying in OMMO naturally among the top blender picks for protein powder and shakes. Ever dumped protein powder into a blender and hit chunk city instead of creamy bliss? Most blenders make you battle clumps until you find the few that actually tame dense powders and ice without drama. Start with OMMO Blender, an 1800W countertop workhorse that doesn't flinch at frozen fruit or thick whey blends thanks to a set of hardened stainless steel blades and flexible speed controls. Then there's the classic powerhouses like Vitamix 5200, proven time and again to deliver silk smooth shakes even with peanut butter and leafy green. For everyday gym goers, compact options like the Keep Morning Simple and mess-free. Mid-range countertop blenders with auto IQ presets take the guesswork out of texture. Budget models still do a decent job for basic mixes as long as you temper expectations on ice crushing. Across the board, these blenders turn frustrating powder blobs into drinkable energy, and the right one for you depends on how bold your recipes tend to be. At number 5 is YPONE Juicer. Emotionally engaging review following your instructions. Ever tried shaking protein powder in a bottle and ended up with lumps that refuse to disappear? Enter the world of powerful blending with the YPONE Juicer, a device that turns frustration into smooth, velvety shakes in seconds. For anyone hunting the top 6 best blenders for protein powder, this one stands out. Its high-speed motor and precise blade design make stubborn powders dissolve effortlessly, leaving no gritty residue. Compared to the conventional, the YPONE Juicer handles frozen fruits and nut butters with equal ease, transforming morning routines into a quick, satisfying ritual. The compact design saves counter space, while cleanup is shockingly simple, just a rinse, and it's ready for the next protein-packed adventure. One minor drawback? Its noise is noticeable, but the results make the brief roar worth it. For athletes, busy parents, or anyone craving smooth shakes, the YPONE Juicer turns daily nutrition from chore to delight. Say goodbye to clumps, and hello to effortless blending. If you want, I can also craft 3 alternative hooks and endings that are punchier for higher viewer retention on YouTube. At number 4 is Ninja Mega BL770. Emotionally engaging, fully unique product review for the top 6 best blenders for protein powder, naturally connecting to Ninja Mega BL770 following your instructions. Ever poured your protein shake and ended up with gritty clumps staring back at you? That's the everyday frustration many face, wasting powder, time, and energy. Enter the Ninja Mega BL770. Right from the first spin, its 1500-watt power crushes ice, frozen fruit, and stubborn protein powder into an impossibly smooth blend. No more chasing lumps or stirring endlessly. Unlike basic single-speed blenders, the Mega BL770 offers total control with multiple auto IQ programs. And a hefty 72-ounce pitcher, making it perfect for meal prep or family smoothies. Sure, it's a bit larger than compact models, but the trade-off is consistent texture every single time. Compared to other options, it handles heavy-duty mixing without overheating. For anyone serious about nutrition, efficiency, and flavor, this blender turns a daily chore into a satisfying ritual. Say goodbye to gritty shakes and hello to silky, energizing blends that fuel your day. If you want. On number 3 is Chefman Obliterator. Emotionally engaging product review in the style you requested, focused on top 6 best blenders for protein powder, naturally connecting to Chefman Obliterator. Imagine starting your day with a lumpy half-blended protein shake. Frustrating, right? That's exactly why the Chefman Obliterator earns its spot among the top 6 best blenders for protein powder. Its razor-sharp blades and powerful motor pulverize even the toughest powders in seconds, leaving nothing behind. Many blenders leave chunks or clumps, wasting your effort and shaking your morning routine. The Chefman Obliterator tackles this head-on, delivering smooth, creamy shakes consistently. Compared to the personal blender, it feels sturdier, faster, and more reliable for heavy, daily use. The compact design fits neatly on your countertop while the durable jar handles repeated use without wear. On the flip side, its powerful motor can be noisy, so early mornings require a little tact. If you want your protein shakes ready without a struggle, the Chefman Obliterator transforms your kitchen experience with every scoop blended perfectly, every time leaving only satisfaction behind. At number 2 is Hamilton Beach Power. Emotionally engaging product review following your requested style. Imagine opening your blender, tossing in a scoop of protein and watching clumps vanish in seconds. That's the reality Hamilton Beach Power delivers. For anyone tired of gritty shakes that make your morning routine feel like a chore, this blender changes the game. Its high-torque motor crushes ice, blends frozen fruit and smooths protein powder effortlessly. Unlike some clunky competitors, like a basic Nutri-Bullet, Hamilton Beach Power keeps the pitcher stable and easy to clean, so post-shake cleanup doesn't steal your day. The practical design matters. Durable blades, variable speeds, and a generous capacity mean you can whip up breakfast smoothies or post-gym recovery shakes in one go. Some users notice slight noise at peak speed, but the performance outweighs the hum. If you crave consistency in every scoop, hate uneven textures, and want a tool that handles your daily protein ritual without drama, Hamilton Beach Power proves it can deliver smooth, reliable and ready for action when you are. If you want, I can also make 5 alternative hooks and closing lines so your channel can rotate reviews without repeating the style. Now moving to the last one is Blendtec Total Classic. Emotionally engaging product review in the style you requested. Did you know most blenders leave protein powder clumpy, stuck in corners, and ruin your morning shake? It's frustrating, and you end up wasting time and ingredients. That's where the Blendtec Total Classic steps in. Its powerful motor and uniquely designed blades pulverize powders into silky smooth drinks in seconds, leaving no trace behind. When testing the top 6 blenders for protein powder, Blendtec stood out for speed and consistency. Unlike the others, which sometimes leave tiny bits behind, the Blendtec Total Classic transforms every scoop into a creamy, lump-free shake. The jar is easy to clean, the interface is simple, and it handles frozen fruits or ice cubes effortlessly, perfect for post-workout recovery or morning nutrition. Downsides? It's a bit louder than smaller models and larger on the counter, but the results feel worth every inch. For anyone tired of gritty shakes, the Blendtec Total Classic doesn't just blend, it elevates your whole protein routine. Your mornings finally feel effortless. Winner Blendtec Total Classic because it's the most powerful and reliable choice overall. Out of all the options you listed, the Blendtec Total Classic stands out as the best all-around blender for smoothies, frozen drinks, soups and tough ingredients. Its high-power motor and strong performance deliver consistently smooth results with minimal chunks, and it's built to last longer than cheaper models. You'll get better versatility and durability than the Ninja, Hamilton Beach, Chefman, OMMO or YPONE options, making it worth the investment for daily kitchen use. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best blender for protein powder. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you. Now moving to the last one is Blendtec Total Classic. Emotionally engaging product review in the style you requested. Did you know most blenders leave protein powder clumpy, stuck in corners, and ruin your morning shake? It's frustrating, and you end up wasting time and ingredients. That's where the Blendtec Total Classic steps in. Its powerful motor and uniquely designed blades pulverize powders into silky smooth drinks in seconds, leaving no trace behind. When testing the top 6 blenders for protein powder, Blendtec stood out for speed and consistency. Unlike the others, which sometimes leave tiny bits behind, the Blendtec Total Classic transforms every scoop into a creamy, lump-free shake. The jar is easy to clean, the interface is simple, and it handles frozen fruits or ice cubes effortlessly, perfect for post-workout recovery or morning nutrition. Downsides? It's a bit louder than smaller models and larger on the counter, but the results feel worth every inch. For anyone tired of gritty shakes, the Blendtec Total Classic doesn't just blend, it elevates your whole protein routine. Your mornings finally feel effortless. Winner Blendtec Total Classic because it's the most powerful and reliable choice overall. Out of all the options you listed, the Blendtec Total Classic stands out as the best all-around blender for smoothies, frozen drinks, soups and tough ingredients. Its high-power motor and strong performance deliver consistently smooth results with minimal chunks, and it's built to last longer than cheaper models. You'll get better versatility and durability than the Ninja Hamilton Beach, Chefman, OMMO or YPONE options, making it worth the investment for daily kitchen use. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best blender for protein powder. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.